Welcome back to the Tech Shack, to another low quality video. We got Jeffy in the shack today. He brought me a pile of these laptops they picked up on Facebook Marketplace for $10, and we're gonna see if any of these will work or not today. Mainly brought him here because he didn't have any sort of chargers for any of them, and he doesn't have any universals. So I'm gonna start with this one and work our way through and see if any of these work and if any of them are worth fixing. Alright, first up we got this Lenovo. It is an AMD A8, and as Jeffy had pointed out to me off camera, it says it has dual graphics over here, so that means it probably has some sort of AMD onboard GPU as well as the one that's in the built into the APU. So let's get this guy powered on. Let's see if she'll power on. There it goes.
That's 12.
One eternity later.
What is this, Windows 8?
That's what it was licensed for. It's probably 10 that's on it. But if I had to guess, I'd guess the hard drive's going bad. That's why it's not booting very well. Oh, maybe it is still 8. It is still 8, and there's a password on it.
A few moments later.
Oh!
That decided to open. Yeah, it was trying to read a Blu-ray. There's a Blu-ray in there.
Oh, shit.
Fern Gully remastered. Alright, so hey, is that worth $10? I think you got your money back. Because that's actually mint. That disc looks mint.
Was she using it as just a...
Media player, probably. Well, that's a Blu-ray. Does this say it's a Blu-ray?
No. She's just buying Blu-rays to be retarded with the money.
Yeah, it's just a DVD drive, yeah. Why is there a Blu-ray in it?
Because she can't read.
One eternity later.
How long it takes to boot with, like, how long it takes to probe the hardware. I really feel like that hard drive's dying. This is still at the age where it might have had a mechanical hard drive. It probably definitely had a mechanical hard drive.
Is there an electronics store anywhere nearby?
What, that's socketed?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna open that then.
That's cool.
Alright, so Windows is on. It was already on that SSD. We have Windows 11 on the SSD. The CPU is an A8 5500M. We are installing the chipset drivers, so just go on AMD's website, even on some of these old ones, just grab the auto installer. It's going to grab your chipset drivers, all your GPU drivers, your CPU drivers, everything in one shot. But it is going to take a little while, especially on the slow hardware, and with basically gigabytes upon gigabytes is downloading now, because again, chipset, CPU, and GPU is all being downloaded one shot. So we're going to let this run. It's already been running for quite a while, and we'll come back when we have everything set up. Alright, so while that one's finishing its updates on another bench, this guy here, looks like another Lenovo power adapter, but looks like it's broken where the port is. Looks like it's got some damage. Oh, and that looks like a touch bar with water damage. Okay, so we'll see if this even starts up, or if she explodes. Holy crap,
shit.
It's starting up.
That started up fast.
Oh, these are the F buttons. I don't have an F1. Oh, I do, they work.
Oh!
They're corroded as shit, but they work.
Oh, look, they kind of line up.
So what do we have? Oh my, it's an 4th gen i7? With 8 gigs of RAM. Are you kidding me, Jeffy? I think we... Did we fix the wrong one?
We might have.
How is this still running? It's the ugliest looking one, and it started up easier than the other one. It's a UEFI BIOS. Supports virtualization stuff right out. You can support secure boot as a 4th gen?
Is that a 4th gen?
4600U. So CMOS battery's bad. Something's wrong with it. An artifact. And did it shut off? Yeah, it's hard booting, you can hear it.
You can almost see that thing line up.
Oh no. Yeah, it's power boot, it's power cycling now. So this thing probably, it still works, but I guarantee you this got liquid damage on the motherboard. So this one, if it worked, would have been the most powerful, the nicest. This was a, oh, that has a fancy touch bar that does change. So this was a very expensive laptop for its time. The one that works is in good shape, is the most basic. But we got that one fully restored. This one would be way faster. So why this guy's probably the most powerful option.
Probably.
I don't know, I'm not gonna give up on this one. We're gonna tear this one apart and do a little bit more with it, but since it's having some major hardware issues, we'll probably come back to this one later on. Open it, make dedicated video, open it up and see how bad the damage is inside, or maybe we'll do it in this one, I don't know yet. So let's see what we got for the, oh, okay, so this one is automatic. Intel Centrino Windows XP. Yeah, this one we're not even gonna, although it's got the cool tablet mode, so this is like an early tablet PC. But it's missing the bottom. It's DDR1 or 2. And this was factory reconditioned over a decade ago, so it's probably even an IDE hard drive, judging by that ribbon cable. Alright, so 1 out of 3 ain't bad. Technically there might be something we could do with this thing. I don't know what yet, but it's got an i7, but it's not gonna be socketed, it's gonna be soldered, so it's not gonna be worth. We'll figure it out. So I guess we saved the best for first.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got everything up to date, all the drivers installed, this is good to go. So Jeffy basically has $30 into this, $10 for the entire lot. the 8GB RAM stick he pulled from a mini PC here that was actually one of his projects that just never went anywhere. Actually, we got the mini PC up and running, but the CPU in it was actually worse than this one. So he never did much with it. But we got everything up and running, and this guy, the only thing he had to pay for was 20 bucks for that 240GB SSD. I actually just gave it to him, but if you were to just keeping track for score for what it costs, it would cost about $20 for one of those SSDs. Like I said, the RAM he already had, 10 bucks for the entire lot. I still want to take a look at this guy deeper, figure out what exactly is wrong with it. I know it's definitely had some water damage, but it's still posting. It's a 4th gen i7. I still want to play with it a little bit, see if I can do anything with that computer. But that'll be it for this low quality video. I will see you guys in the next one.